the problem is not just that it is being re-released with an altered ending, but the fact कि जो creators हैं, the ones who originally wrote, made this film, have no idea, no say in it. So it's clearly a copyright issue, and I want you to explain to us: is there help in our courts? Is there a way legally for us to stop this?
The point is to address it for what it is, right? This is an evolving issue. As far as the rights are concerned, I'm sure lawyers will be able to define this better and what it means for archival, what it means in the present, and what it means in the future. But here the case is very simple. There's no contesting the fact that the studio that's re-releasing the film owns all the rights to exploit it. So this is not really about ownership. It's not a question about ownership. It is at its core a question about authorship, about what was intended. Just in the industry, there are contractually, we go back and forth so severely on what a locked edit is, what the final cut is. This sort of in one broad sweep renders that redundant, because now it apparently sets precedence for studios to alter any part of the narrative at any point, because the technology to be able to do it exists. I don't think the assault of AI is anything like we've experienced in our lifetimes, right? What you read as harmless sort of subtext in contracts, which is that this applies to all future mediums, modes, and formats, is suddenly not harmless anymore, because you haven't seen technology catch up with the kind of speed and aggression that AI is catching up. It's a matter of weeks before versions are perfected. You've gone from like some sort of a draft version of something visual or creative to a very, very perfected, lip-synced, sort of tonally accurate representation of what can be. I want to be very, very clear that this is not a fight against the technology. The technology is very, very exciting.
What we do with it is what is questionable.
Yes, as with all sort of superpowers, I think with great power comes great responsibility.